Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear door handles of a Nissan Murano 2003 all the way to 2007. Now to do this is super simple. In this case, this is the good part, which I'm gonna put on. This part somebody pulled really hard and it broke it. Let me show you. You see how this part is broken? So to replace it's really simple. You just have to remove this little plastic right here. Let me show you. And you have to remove this bolt screw that's there. Using this guy. This is a T30, I believe. Let me see. So let me show you how to do it. Don't worry about it falling down, it won't fall out. There's a plastic that holds it in place. Once it's loose, you can just wiggle this part out and it should come out. Sometimes it won't come out because the screw is holding it a little bit. So you can use a magnet just to pull the screw a little bit, and then you see it comes out right away. Alright guys, so now you take the new part, put it right here. Let me see. Put it inside and then push all the way to the left, right there. And now you can feel like it's trying to open the door. You can feel that it's hard. And you just have to put this part back in. So it's really simple. Again, just put in. Get your screwdriver again. And just screw it. Screw it in. That's it. You can put the plastic cap, and that's simple. Let's see, it opens, closes. So this is the part that breaks right here. There should be like a little hook that goes like this, but since people pull it too hard, that hook breaks and it stays like this, so it won't open. So there you have it guys, how to replace the door handle, well, the rear door handle on a Nissan Murano 2003 all the way to 2007. If this video helped you, please comment, like and subscribe. You can also share this video. You can also see my other videos I have. I'm putting a lot of videos on how to fix cars really simple and cheap. So alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.